$10,000 a month. That sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But the problem is, the map or path we've been shown since childhood to reach this dream is actually a trap. We were told, study hard, get good grades, get a degree, and then land a 9-to-5 job. Boom! You're set for life. But the truth is, sorry to say, walking down this path might help you survive, but it won't make you rich. In this video, I'm going to show you the new route, which is honestly the smartest route to $10,000 per month in 2026 that young millionaires around the world are using to change their fortunes. And believe me, it's not rocket science. Look, I'm not trying to demotivate anyone, but the stats don't lie. Those who walk the traditional path barely have any savings left at the end of the month. Even if you are a doctor or a lawyer, there is still a big problem. That is, you are trading your time for money. You don't have more than 24 hours in a day, so there will always be a limit to your income. And if you stop working, the money stops coming in too. Let me talk about myself. When I got out of school, I had no money in my pocket and no big degree. My parents thought my future was bleak. But that pressure forced me to think differently. And today, I'm going to teach you those 3 simple steps. If you are wondering how to make money online today, your age or background doesn't matter for this. This road is open for everyone. The first step is consume or learning. But hold on, I'm not talking about reading textbooks. Our problem is we think we know everything. But if there's no money in your pocket, that knowledge has no value. You have to learn something that has huge demand in the market. We call this a high-income skill. For example, video editing, coding, graphic design, copywriting, or digital marketing. Now the question is, where do you learn from? The answer is right in the palm of your hand, YouTube. But there's a trick here. Don't waste time watching thousands of videos. Find experts who are actually successful. You don't need to be impressed by their lifestyle. Instead, take notes on the actual lessons they're teaching. Just watching videos won't do. You have to get inside that community. Join Reddit or Discord groups. See what problems people are talking about there. The real insights are found right there. If you have a habit of reading books, that's even better. And if reading feels boring, use audiobooks or summary apps. The main point is, immerse yourself in a sea of information, but make sure it's useful information.
The second step is apply or putting it to work. Most people get stuck on the first step. They just keep learning but don't find the courage to actually start working. This is called analysis paralysis. Listen, when you make something for the first time, it could be a video, an app, or a design. It will most likely be terrible, and that is completely normal. Mark Zuckerberg didn't build Facebook on the first try. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times before publishing Harry Potter. Success comes to those who have the courage to fail. When you feel somewhat confident, start working. Work for less money at first. The math is very simple. If you find 5 clients paying you $2,000 a month, your target of $10,000 is hit, or 10 clients at $1,000. In the beginning, you have to grind a lot. This is called newbie gains, kind of like the muscle pain you get when you first start the gym. But a time will come when you see you can't keep up alone anymore. Then you have to change the game. You have to go from freelancer to businessman, which is the key to understanding how to start a business properly. This means building a system. Suppose you edit videos. Now, hire someone else for small tasks, like selecting clips or fixing fonts. You just check the quality. This way, you can deliver much more work in less time. Remember, you can't get rich working alone. You get rich by working smart.
Step 3. Educate. Now let's get to the third and most profitable step. That is, educate or teaching others. Look at today's young millionaires, Iman Gadzhi, Ali Abdaal. What are they all doing? They're teaching their skills to others. You might think, bro, I'm not a professor. Why would people listen to me? That's the best part. People prefer learning from someone who is just ordinary like them and is simply a few steps ahead, rather than a professor, because they can relate to you.
You just passed their current situation a little while ago. Think about it. You create a course or guideline priced at just $100. You only need to sell it to 100 people a month to earn $10,000. And the cool thing is, you have to make this product only once, but you can sell it thousands of times. When people look for passive income ideas, this is exactly what they mean. This is called recurring revenue. It doesn't have to just be a course. It could be a paid newsletter, a membership community, or coaching. But one thing is very important here: value. You have to give people value. Teach something that makes their life easier. Your content must have impact. People should watch your video or read your writing and think, hey, this is exactly what I was looking for. Create a connection with your audience. Reply to their comments. Understand their problems. When they see you are authentic and real, they will trust you. And this trust is the real capital of your business. Guys, I know this whole process sounds pretty long. Consume, apply, then educate. But isn't working hard for yourself for 3 to 4 years much better than doing a 9-to-5 office job for 40 years and just waiting for retirement? I showed you the road, but you have to walk it. Don't be afraid. Starting is what matters. Start learning any one skill from today. If this video brought even a little change in your thinking, or you feel it will be of any use to you, then please give this video a like. And yes, we want to grow together here, so subscribe to the channel and become a part of this small family. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep chasing your dreams.